Today I'm unboxing a miniature sticker scene set. This is a box of 20 different scenes, and it comes with a set of plastic tweezers inside along with 2 sheets of stickers per set. So the plastic tweezers are very tiny. They didn't really feel comfortable, I had a hard time closing them. And in contrast, this is a better plastic tweezer I got, and this was from another set off of Amazon, like a 15-piece set that I got. I definitely like that tweezer set better. Here's a flip through of the bases. They're just made out of pretty thin cardstock. And here is a sample of the completed pictures. It's just a paper that comes inside of it, and it's really small. Here are the sticker sheets. They are printed on the clear plastic, and so I'll put a paper so you can see what it looks like underneath. They are really cute. They're really pastel theme for this one. In the top corner you can see there's a number, and you can see the matching completed sticker, the size comparison there. So all of them come with 2 different sheets, so they're labeled with the numbers in the top corners of the sheets. However, they're not in numeric order, so I did have to sort them, and then the bases are not numbered either, so I actually had to go through with pencil and just write on the back what the numbers were. So here I am just kind of putting them together so I can find them later. And because the pictures were so small, I took a photo on my cell phone so I could zoom in and see it a lot better, because there is really no way I could just do it from those tiny pictures. And the sticker quality is okay. I would say they are pretty transparent, and you can see that here in this completed scene. I didn't have too much ripping though, so I guess the sticker quality is okay.